After more than 9 hours of questioning, finally we are showing you the visuals of Anil Ambani coming outside of the ED headquarters. The ED has called him to appear in front of the ED headquarters after a week or so, and he is most likely to be appearing on that date. But we do know that he has been questioned for about 9 hours in the money laundering investigation of of money to the tune of rupees 17,000 crore rupees. Now ED has in fact also launched a parallel investigation to in fact check the quid pro quo arrangement that was made between the Yes Bank promoters and the senior executives of the Anil Ambani group. That ED is in fact also has in fact also launched a parallel investigation. Not just that, there are three Anil Ambani Reliance Group companies that are under the radar, that is Reliance House Finance Limited, Reliance Commercial Finance Limited and Reliance Communications. And what so far in today's questioning, ED had asked multiple questions to Anil Ambani linked to his role in the loan sanctioning that was done between 2017 to 19, and several banks also who had in fact sanctioned money to Anil Ambani have been written by the ED. They are seeking details of what all verifications they did, whether or not they checked the credit scores, and what did they do, what action, the necessary actions did they take after they got to know that the three companies have defaulted. So far, Anil Ambani has failed to give any kind of satisfactory answer to the ED, and that is why the ED is likely to summon him after 1 week, and Anil Ambani will have to appear in front of the ED and answer all those questions, because this is a part of a PMLA probe that the ED has launched against Anil Ambani Group companies. With camera person Gauri Prasad, this is Anushka Garg for NETV.